Morning everyone, welcome to a new vlog. I'm on a very loud street, but I'm headed to the hairdresser. But this is my hair before. Can you actually believe it? I left it curly for the hairdresser, so he sees immediately, or her, I don't know if it's him or her, but I guess him. So that person sees what my hair looks like before and what he's working with. So yeah, very excited to be doing my hair because, as you can tell, I have a lot of regrowth on my roots. So yeah, come on. My hair now, it's short and I can't wait. Okay, update. I have bleach in my hair, bleach and tone, if you know you know, and I decided to switch to the camera because I'm filming at the same time with my phone, which is on a tripod. I'll show you. So this is my setup to film for TikTok and also for Instagram probably. And I have my bag here, and this is the salon. No one's here right now, but there were girls before sitting there, and they work with Dyson, which I think is so cool. I never went to a salon that has Dyson as a partner. And they just brought tea, so I haven't had breakfast. I'm very excited to have a little drink at least and then get something afterwards. I'll go for this one. Green tea, peach, and orange blossom. Sounds perfect.
La tête un petit peu en arrière, s'il te plaît. Ok. Ah bah là c'est clair. Allez, tu peux aller te voir. Tiens, attends. On va te voir devant le miroir, c'est ça. Parfait.
C'est à base de beurre de karité.
Ah oui, on avait utilisé le masque.
Ouais, ça c'est parfait pour ton cheveu.
Ok.
Une huile, celle-là.
Ok.
Le spray anti-humidité, c'est ça.
Celui-ci, je le connais.
Exactement. Et le protecteur thermique que tu peux mettre à chaque fois, c'est celui-là.
Ok. Here's my hair. I was trying to find a place where I can show you my hair without it being overexposed or like in bad lighting, because I actually don't see the color myself, because in the salon or when you go outside it really depends on the lighting, what it looks like. I'm in the natural daylight, but I'm like behind a tree, so it's not like in your face with the sun. So I think this is my color and the cut. So I think it's really beautiful. And I'm super happy because I wanted it to be a bit lighter and to be a big change and like cut off my hair. And this honestly, I like it. So I just put my phone on the tripod so it's still and you can like see it better. And honestly, such a beautiful haircut, hair length. I really like it. I was so sick of my long hair and I'm so happy that I have this length now. So it's right above the chest area. I really like this long curtain bang. I think this suits me the most with my face shape. I don't even know what my face shape is, but I would say like elongated. So I prefer it when it's a bit longer, like towards my chin, and then it just really frames the face. And then I have some little layers. It's super soft, first of all. It also smells amazing. I love the products that he used. But now I wanted to talk about my inspiration. So I will insert some of my pictures from the past right here, and also some pictures that I found on Pinterest, Instagram. So the vibe I was going for was definitely something more, I would say 90s inspired. That's why I got this length and I wanted this like blowout look. And since I'm a brunette, I need some brunette girls for my inspiration. I love Charlotte York from Sex and the City. She always rocks this like very short hair, and also Eva Longoria has always been a big inspiration when it comes to hair, also because she's petite, she's more like a little bit tanned, her hair is dark, her features are a bit darker, and I love her in Desperate Housewives, like Gabrielle Solis, yes. And so I feel like I kind of have that vibe from the hair right now, and I love that. When it comes to dark hair, I think you have to find a really, really good hair salon. And since I've been living here for like over a year, it was not so easy to find someone. And I've had pretty similar hair like this before. As you saw in the picture that I showed you, it's pretty much the same hair color. It's a tiny bit longer than this time, but I wanted it a bit shorter. And yeah, I'm super happy. So I will link the studio or the salon down below. They're called Carli Paris. The guy who did my hair is called Gabin, so I will also write that down below because he did honestly a great job. And I asked him so many questions. We had a very long like talk before he did my hair to really understand my needs and what I wanted. And I feel like he always kept like re-asking, okay, but is it more like this or is it more like that? And he kept showing me pictures of his work and I was showing him pictures of what I like. And I think that really helps if you have a really in-depth conversation with your hairdresser. And I did ask him one very crucial question, which made me feel so much better and so much at ease. And I felt much more confident with my decision with the salon and also with him making my hair. So I felt really in good hands because I asked him if he had worked on dark hair before, or if they have, I mean, of course he did, but if they have very regular visits from girls that have dark hair. My base hair, as you may have seen before, I have really dark roots. My natural hair color is a very dark brown. It's not black. I want to point that out right now because I have friends that have black hair naturally, and when I stand next to them, you can tell the difference. What I wanted to say is that I felt so much better once he told me, yes, I actually specify on this, like that's what I like to do. I like to focus on dark hair. And usually when I find a hairdresser, I try to find someone who has like some examples on Instagram with really dark brown hair, almost black hair, and then does a transformation with balayage and bleaching. I feel like a new person. You know, there's like two sayings. The first one is hair holds a lot of memory, and my hair was getting so long, and from the last year I just needed something to like cut it off, and this really did it for me. I feel so refreshed, I feel confident, I feel good in my skin, and I think it suits me really well, this length, also because I'm very petite. I'm only 5'2", and if you have long hair, it's not the most flattering in my opinion. The long hair era is over for me, and I think I will never really go back to long hair. I mean, if it grows out, it grows out, and then I can handle it for a couple of weeks or months, but that's the maximum I can do. And I wanted to finish this vlog quickly before the day is over and I don't have the exact like hair from the same day of the hairdresser appointment. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Check out my other videos. I mainly do vlogs at the moment, so I have tons of Paris vlogs linked below. And also please let me know which other topics you're interested in, if there's anything also hair or beauty related or anything else that you would like me to talk about. Please also leave that as a comment. Okay, I will end this video now. Please subscribe, as I said, like and comment because it really supports my channel. And I wish you a wonderful rest of your day, morning or evening, wherever you are watching this video. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next one.